Hi, I'm Ken Oakes with Oakes Daylilies. I'm in our display garden here in East Tennessee, and it's mid-July now, so we're at the later part of our daylily bloom season. I would say at this point of the season about half of the varieties are done blooming and quite a few more are wrapping up their season, which is normal. But we also have some varieties that are listed as late season bloomers, and so I was going to show you some of those in our video today. All right, so this is the variety Country Stroll. And it's a nice soft, pastel creamy with a little hint of pink to it. 6.5 inch blooms, held on pretty tall scapes, listed at 34 inches tall. So look at that, a lot of blooms coming on. Country Stroll. All right, so this next variety is El Desperado. This is one of my favorites. This kind of is listed as a mustard yellow color with a whatever purple eye zone, I suppose, a little purple edge to it. There's lots of blooms late in the season. As you can see, look at all these blooms here. Listed at a 4.5 inch bloom and about 28 inches tall. This is El Desperado. All right, so this next one is Lilting Belle, and it's a nice lavender pink bloom. Listed at 8 inches in diameter and relatively tall, 36 inches. So this is just now getting started. Look, this is maybe the first couple blooms of the season right here. So this is a great one to extend your season, Lilting Belle. All right, so this next variety is the variety Techni Peace. And it's kind of an unusual color. There's a word that we hear in the daylily world called a polychrome, which is kind of like a blend of, look at what all's going on in here. You got some yellow and some light pink or peach in there, and then some cream, and then a gold edge around it. And I really like this one. It's listed at a 6 inch bloom, 28 inches tall. This is Techni Peace. All right, so this next variety is the variety Lady Lucille, and it's a nice rich orange, really bright color. We're shooting this in the shade this morning at this spot in the garden, and so it doesn't look as bright. But you put this in the sun, man, it just glows. Really good variety if you want to have something that shows up across your garden. This is an all-American selection, so it's been, we've seen that it grows well across the country. Blooms are listed at 6 inches and about 24 inches tall, so Lady Lucille. So I hope you enjoyed seeing some of our nice late season bloomers. We've grown daylilies for over 40 years, and we love talking about all things daylily. So if you have any questions about anything daylily related, you can put them in the comments below, or our contact information is on our website. We have a lot of other videos on our YouTube channel as well if you want to check those out. We would love to hear from you, and thanks for watching.